My arm was swollen up. I had no hair. No hair decided to grow on my arm for a month or so, just because it continually was burned off. Once we heard Brother Floyd was murdered, initially I had to grieve his death. I cooked so much my hand was swollen. I couldn't move my knuckle for a month or so. I had a brace on my hand. It started dawning on me, I'm not necessarily a cook. I'm good at cooking, but what could I do to really apply myself here? And I thought, I'm a plant guy. I happened to see another guy who kind of looked like he was doing the same thing. We walked toward each other and I'm like, I do plants. And he was like, that's what I do too.
So I had this idea to build the garden from the head of the names to the center of the street, 38th in Chicago. Us all sitting there looking at the slant of the street, it was like that aha moment, like put it on the curb. Just the whole community just dove in and they just started building the garden.
And this is what planted the seeds to the farming initiative. So much strife is created in the world from people just trying to eat and just get basic necessities. If we can all do something to relieve that pressure off of other people, the benefits to society are immeasurable. These people are in this situation, you could be in this situation. It's best not to judge, it's just best to help these people, because they are your people, they're you.